Right, so today we're going to deal with some ratio problems to try and set you all up to deal with anything in ratios in the future. So I've got three standard types of problem here, which I'm going to solve for you. So we have a piece of metal 66 centimeters long, and we're told that it's cut in a ratio 8:3. Now what that means is that we're going to split it into 8 plus 3 equal parts, and we're going to put 8 of them together and then 3 of them together. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. So we're going to break 66 into 11 equal parts. 66 divided by 11 equals 6. Now the first one is going to have 8 of those parts. So 8 times 6 is 48 centimeters. The second one is going to have 3 of those parts. 3 times 6, which equals 18 centimeters. So it will be 48 to 18 centimeters. That's it. That's exactly how you deal with this style of problem. Right, so that's the first question sorted. Let's move on. Okay, second setup. We have this is a three-way split. We have James, Emma, and Sophie. So that you know, this also could have been written 14 to 9 to 13. It's worth seeing it in both ways so you understand how it would actually look in the question. So we're told that they're going to share money in a ratio of their ages. So we need to work out what the total of their ages are, and then we're going to divide the total amount of money we have by that. So 14 plus 9 plus 13, and that equals 36. So we're going to split the money into 36 equal parts, but actually we're only interested in how much Emma gets. So let's think about what fraction of the total does Emma get. So Emma gets 9 of those 36 parts. Therefore Emma gets a quarter of the money. So a quarter of 48 is £12. Right, that is the setup of the beginning of this. Okay, now Emma gives a third of what she gets to her brother. So we've worked out how much she gets. She's giving 1/3 to her brother, so she's going to keep 2/3. So 2/3 of 12 equals £8. And there we go. That's it. That's done. Okay. So, third section. Right. We're told someone's baking a cake, and we're going to break it up in the ratio 2:3 with sugar, flour, butter. So, again, we're going to add our three values here up to work out what we have to divide the total by. We know that we want to make 500 grams of cake. So what we want to do is work out how much flour will we need, how much sugar will we need, and how much butter will we need. Then we'll compare that to how much we've got to see if we have enough to make the cake. That's what it means by give reasons for your answer. It doesn't just want you to say yes or no. It explicitly needs to see your workings. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 equals 10. So we have got 10 separate piles. Our sugar is 2 of those piles, so 2/10, or simplified, it's a 1/5. Our next one is flour, and the flour is 5/10, which simplifies to a 1/2, and finally our butter is is 3/10, which we can't simplify. So those are the fractions of the cake that we need. So we're going to do those fractions of the total. 1/5 of 500 is 100 grams. Right, so we need 100 grams of sugar. Right, we have enough. Okay, that's nice for us to know, right? And we can see that we have enough because we have 120 grams of sugar and we only need 100 grams. Okay, so next step, flour. Right, again, we're now going to do a half times 500 grams, so we need 250 grams of flour. Okay, having a look up, we have a kilogram, we need 250 grams, therefore we have enough flour. We have enough flour. Okay, finally, we're going to do 3/10 times 500. 1/10 of 500 is 50, 3 of those is 150. So we need 150 grams of butter. Okay, you can see here we have 130 grams of butter. We need 150 grams. Not enough butter then. So, can Simon make the cake? Well, he's got enough flour, he's got enough sugar, he does not have enough butter, so Simon cannot. Simon cannot make the cake. And there we go. Done.